Hello students, today my video is for class 9 and as per request of some of the students who have difficulty in factorizing by splitting middle terms, I thought this video I am specially given for students who have difficulty and they have requested me. Okay, factorizing a given polynomial by splitting the middle terms. Okay, in my future video I'll be giving a full polynomial lesson in one shot. Now part of that, this comes in exercise 2.4, fourth question. Okay, factorize the given polynomial by splitting the middle terms, right? So you are given 4 questions in that exercise. That is exercise 2.4 and it is exercise 2.4, it is 4th question. Okay, factorize the given polynomials. Let's do how to factorize the given polynomials by splitting the middle terms. Middle term splitting is, they have doubts. So let's see how to split it. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. This is the given polynomial. Okay, this is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means the degree of the polynomial is 2. So it's called a quadratic polynomial. How do you factorize this polynomial? By splitting the middle terms. Splitting the middle term means this middle term you have to split it. You have to split it the middle terms. You have to find out two numbers. You have to find out two numbers in such a way that the two numbers, say for example, if I have to find out two numbers P and Q, for example, if you take two numbers P and Q, if you add P and Q, you should get minus 7, right? Minus 7x also. And if you multiply P into Q, okay, P is one number, Q is another number. If you add two numbers P and Q, you should get minus 7x. Even if you subtract also, okay children, it differs in the questions. Here, if you add two numbers P and Q, you should get minus 7x. And if you multiply the numbers P and Q, you should get the product, the first term and last term. What is the first term? First term is 12x square and the last term is 1. So if you multiply P and Q, you should get 12x square. Hope this is clear for you. I'll repeat again. This is a given polynomial. What is a given polynomial? The given polynomial is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. We are going to factorize this given polynomial using the middle term splitting method. Middle term splitting method means this is the middle term of your polynomial. Minus 7x is the middle term of your polynomial. You have to split it that in such a way that you get two numbers. That two numbers, for example, if it is P and Q, two numbers means two factors, right? If you get two terms P and Q, if you add the two terms P and Q, you must get minus 7x. And if you multiply, that is P into Q, if you multiply these two terms, you should get 12x square. This is how you find out the two terms P and Q. Okay, let's see how. Let's get started. Minus 7x. How will you get minus 7x if you add two terms? So I'll take it as minus 3x and minus 4x. Okay, minus 3x and minus 4x is my P and Q. So minus 3x and minus 4x, if I add minus 3 and minus 4, will I get minus 7? Yes. So minus 3 and minus 4 will be my minus 7. And if I multiply minus 3 into minus 4, minus 3 into minus 4 is plus 12, right? So minus 3x into minus 4x, so that will be 12x square. So I'll get 12x square. So minus 3x and minus 4x, if I add, I'll get minus 7x. So minus 7x, I have splitted it into minus 3x and minus 4x such a way that I get minus 7x. And if I multiply minus 3 into minus 4, I should get the product of the first and last term. That is called the middle term splitting. So I got this as 12. Now I should write the first term like that itself. 12x square minus 3x minus 4x, and the last term I'll write it like that itself. Okay. So from these two terms, 12x square and minus 3x, I have to take out a common factor. Taking out the common factor, taking out the HCF and all, you would have done in 8th standard. Recall, or now you try to recall that 12x square minus 3x. From these two, I will take 3 as a common. 12 and 3, the common is 3. And from x square and x, which is common, x square and x is common in both this. Now from these two terms I have taken 3x outside and I will divide this 12 by 3. 12 by 3 is what? 4. X square divided by x is x. Okay, this is common factor taking out. You multiply and check, you will get this. 3 4s are 12. X into x is x square. Then I have taken 3x outside. So I will write a minus 1. 3x divided by 3x is minus 1. So from these two, I have taken 3x outside and I have got 4x minus 1. Now take out these two numbers or these two terms, minus 4x and 1. From these two, which is common, you see, minus 4x and plus 1, I can take only 1 as a common. I will take minus 1 as a common. What is the reason for me taking minus 1 as a common? Because I want, what is here in the inside bracket, it is 4x minus 1. Same, I have to get 4x minus 1. So if I take minus 1 only, I will get the same term. So if I take minus 1 outside, minus divided by minus is plus, 4 divided by 1 is 4 and x divided by 1 is also x. Plus is here, you have taken minus 1 outside. So I will write minus 1 inside. So which is now common here, 4x minus 1 is common to both. So what I will do is 4x minus 1, I will take it out as common. What is left there? 3x minus 1. So this is how I factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. The factors are 4x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. Factors means if you multiply this and this, you will get this. That's what's a factorization. That is, you are factorizing this polynomial and you get these terms. In other words, if you multiply this 2, you will get this. So this is how we do the factorizing middle term. Let us do 2, 3 sums so it will be clear for you. Let's go for the next sum. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. That is your next question. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. What did I tell you? We are going to split the middle term. Split the middle term and finding out the factors. Okay. So what is 7x? I have to think. I have to find out two numbers in such a way that if I add those two numbers, I should get 7x. And if I multiply those two numbers, that is, I have to find p and q such that p plus q should be 7x. And p into q should be what? 2 into 3, 6x square. P into q should be 6x square and p plus q should be 7x. I have to think what are the two numbers I can find out. So I'll think it out and I get 6x plus 1x. Okay. So if my p is 6x and my q is 1x. So what is p plus q? P plus q will be 6x plus 1x, that is 7x. I got the middle term. What is p into q? P into q will be 6x into 1x. 6 into 1 is 6, x into x is x square. So I got the factors, I have got the two terms as 6x and 1x. Okay. So I got p plus q is 7x and p into q is 6x square. Right. So what I will do? I will write all the remaining terms. What is the term? 2x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 3. So I have splitted the 7x as 6x plus 1x. Now from these two, as I told you, from these two terms you have to take out the common. 2x, 2 and 6, which is common? 2 is common. X square and x, which is common? X is common. So 2x I have taken common outside from the first two terms. So 2x square divided by 2x will be 1x will be left. 6x by 2x will be 3. 6x by 6 by 2 is 3. X by x will get cancelled. Now 1x plus 3, I can take only 1 is common. If I take 1 is common, 1x divided by 1 is x, 3 divided by 1 is 3. So I got the same factors inside the bracket, x plus 3 and x plus 3. These two x plus 3 I will take it as common again now. And what is left now? 2x plus 1. So what are the factors now? 2x square plus 7x plus 3. The factors of the 2x plus this is x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. In other words, if you multiply this 2, you will get this term. Okay. Let's do one more sum. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So, what I will do is, I have to find out, split the middle terms 5x such a way that if I add two numbers, I must get 5. And if I multiply two numbers, I should get 6 into 6, 36. But see the sign also. So, p plus q should be plus 5x and p into q should be 6 into minus 6, that is minus 36. X square is also there. So 6x square into 6, that will be 36x square. So I have to think. Add or subtract, I told you in the beginning. If you have to add or subtract two numbers, you should get 5x. And if you multiply two numbers, you should get minus 36. So think of how do I get 36. Now another easy way, I'll tell you. 36 factors and all you write, children. That will be more easy for you. What are the factors of 36? 1, 2, 3. Then you have 6 is a factor. Then 9 is a factor. 4 is a factor. Then what is a factor? 12 is a factor. 12 3s are 36. 18 is a factor and 36 is a factor. This is another easy way to find out. Write all the factors of 36 and try to get that. So 36 means you think which two numbers, if you add you will get this 5. Which two numbers you multiply you get 36. So only which I feel 9 and 4. 9 4s are 36. And 9 minus 4 will give you 5. I told you should either add or subtract. So what are the two possibilities? I got for 36 is 9 and 4. So I am splitting this 5 as 9x minus 4x. Not only added, I told you can subtract also. So 9x minus 4x will give you 5x. 9 into 4 will give you 36. Plus into minus. 9x into minus 4x will give you minus 36x square, and 9x plus minus 4x will give you 5x. So what will I write here? 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Now from these two, take out the common factor. 6x square and 9x, which is common. Take 3 and 1x. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, x square divided by x is x, 9 divided by 3 is 3 and x divided. This you will get 2x plus 3. From these two which is common, you take minus outside and you write 2 here. Why? Because 4 and 6, 2 is a factor for both. So 4, what is minus 4 divided by minus 2? Minus divided by minus is plus and you get 2x. Minus divided by minus is plus, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Did I not get the same factors? 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3. So I can write 2x plus 3 and the other one is what? 3x minus 2. So I have factorized 6x square plus 5x minus 6 using the middle terms method, and I've got the factors as 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. You go on practicing, children. If you go on practicing, you will find it easy and you can do it. So please do follow my video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll be helping you in whichever way I can. Share it with others. Please subscribe my channel and share it with others. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you, children.